told just how bad slouching can be for your posture, but besides helping you to look tall and confident, good posture is also good for your health. Lisa Lutton teaches a program locally to help improve your posture and break poor posture habits that can lead to joint and muscle pain. And it's called the Alexander Technique, which was new to me and maybe new to a lot of you out there. Give us a little brief overview of what the Alexander Technique involves.
Sure. The Alexander Technique is a method of self-care that can help anyone improve their posture and reduce chronic pain. And the idea behind it is that all of us are going about our daily activities with too much tension and effort.
So this kind of relaxes you, but in a way that maybe you haven't thought of before.
Exactly. Students of the Alexander Technique learn to become a little bit more aware of what they're doing with their bodies on a daily basis. And they learn to become more aware of what these habits of tension are. They learn to use their thinking to start to change those habits.
Okay, so I'm going to kind of be your guinea pig because that's usually what I do, and you're going to kind of coach me through it. So how should I start? How would a class be with you? What would I start doing?
Well, I would start by guiding your thinking a little bit, because what we're really getting at is we're changing your thinking in order to help you change your body. So if I asked you to relax, most people might do something a little bit like that.
A little bit.
Right, we get maybe a little bit soggy in our idea of relaxation. And if I ask you to do your very best posture, Laura. Yeah.
Shoulders back, right? Head forward.
Right.
Okay.
So the suggestion is that slouching is one kind of tension, but that kind of manipulated posture is another sort of tension.
So what your mom always said, stand up straight, that's not actually
well-intentioned, but perhaps counterproductive.
All right, so what should I do to kind of relax a little bit, but like you say, in a good way?
Yeah, let's have you start from that, from your idea of good posture. And you're going to maintain your intention of moving upright, but with less of the tension. And the first place we start looking for that tension is in the muscles of your neck. And we're just suggesting that maybe you could do a little bit less through the muscles of your neck that might allow your head to balance on your spine a little bit differently. And what we find is that that balance of your head can actually change things pretty dramatically.
I do. You kind of feel the muscles relaxing and lengthening a little bit.
Yeah. If you had to say which direction you're going now, what direction would you say you're going in?
Up.
Yeah, up. Yeah.
But you're not even pushing. I mean, I don't want folks to think that you're pushing anything. You're just kind of gently guiding.
It's very gentle touch because we're relying on this idea that if you do less, your muscles will naturally lengthen and allow you to come upright.
And this is eventually something that you practice, but you're supposed to be able to kind of do this throughout your everyday living.
That's right, and we're teaching you a set of skills that once you have them for life, and you can put them into place whenever you need them in whatever you're doing.
Now, besides being kind of relaxing, just having you kind of guide my muscles, this can actually help patients who may have some chronic pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, even back pain.
Yeah, absolutely, because it reduces the compression in our bodies. So that tightening has the tendency to pull us down on ourselves and pull us in on ourselves a little bit. And if we can release that tension, we reduce the compression in our bodies and allow our bodies to work in a more coordinated and fluid way.
So you normally teach classes here, and they can go on for about an hour where you actually use what looks like a massage table, but it's actually a table that you use to kind of relax the muscles.
Right. During a lesson, we do a little bit of upright work in everyday activities like walking, standing, sitting, and we spend a little bit of time on a massage table just to help you, give you a little easier conditions in which to practice doing less.
And after a class or after several classes, what do some of your clients say? What do they feel? Do they feel better? Do they feel more relaxed?
Absolutely. A lot of my clients liken it to a massage that lasts and that they can recreate on their own.
Okay.
Some of the other benefits, of course, are improved posture and ability to deal with stress differently.
Well, I have to say, I worked with you yesterday. I had a full kind of session, and I do. It's the weirdest thing. You're relaxed and more alert all at the same time. So it's different than a massage, but it really does just make you feel kind of better. So if you're interested in it, Lisa Sutton will be teaching the Alexander Technique Mondays through Fridays until June 24th at 1229 Royal Street. The 45-minute session costs $60, and for more info, you can call her at 917-533-2857 or just log on to our website, WWLTV.com. Click on links on for. You are leaving at the end of June, but we have you for a little bit longer. So if you're interested in it, get with Lisa soon. Thanks so much for being here. Appreciate it. I already feel better this morning.